This video is made for educational purpose only with significant original text commentary.
Eventually, when her fingers couldn't take it anymore, she let it fall away. Chapter 34. After they'd said a few words for those who had died, the Citadel crew told a few stories about the kind of guy John Colt had been. It seemed a terrible tragedy for the world to lose such a man, especially at a time when they needed him most. But Nate knew, no matter how bad things got, some good could always.
Oh, fucking hell! You fuck! Twat! Oh! Got you on camera! Got you on camera, mate! You alright, mate? Fucking. Oh my god! What the fuck? Holy shit!
Have you noticed the hype around it?
Fucking retards!
By social media?
Damn!
Oh, you can get written off.
Oh, that's... A.
Strong impact.
Recording will stop in 30 seconds. How are you? Please disband.
Dot. Hey, don't mess with me. Hey. I have the impression that it is easily affected by world trade and is prone to turbulence, but the main consumers of Menteco are Japan and Korea.
In there, and I'll be having a spray tan. Could you just hold everybody outside? Just don't let them come in, because you know what has to happen. Yes! Maybe I'll employ you to hold the curtain while I have my spray tan. Oh, what could possibly go wrong? Thank you. Just to remind you what's happening on Radio 2 for the rest of the day. So you've got coming up Jeremy Vine at 12 o'clock, Steve Wright in the afternoon chatting to Kelsey Grammer, and also Danielle musical. Sarah Cox is on between 5 and 7 o'clock this evening playing Phrased and Confused. If you do want to play that, by the way, all you have to do is email Sarah now.
So last year, Pepsi put that to the test for tens of thousands of people across the country in a revival of the iconic Pepsi Challenge. And the results were clear. 66% of people preferred the taste of Pepsi Zero Sugar over Coke Zero Sugar. That's the idea behind the Pepsi paradox, that when labels and bias disappear, people prefer the taste of Pepsi Zero Sugar. It really makes you wonder, are you choosing zero sugar cola that you actually prefer, or are you playing to the label that you think you prefer?
Sometimes it don't make sense. You never want to say, but I'll never hold it down. No matter what I do. You okay? Are you okay? You're fucking kidding me, bro? Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh my god.
Y'all back already? God dang.
Understood both audiences, the Disney audience, the Disney adults, and Star Wars. But then, well, we can't have Slave Leia anymore. And that's kind of when the tide.
That's back when Disney knew how to make money.
Yep. They made a lot of money.
34.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
this is the kind
come
of stupid idea that
on.
Disney would actually green light. All right, because they think they're going to probably make some money off of it. Somebody will probably write a comic book. They'll find some sort of a story where they bring the X-Men into the Star Wars universe. I don't know how they would do it, but this is the kind of stupid nonsense that Disney would do because they don't know how to make money off of these franchises. Yeah, there it is. Oh, wow, look at that.
Look at that.
That is
unsettling, man.
wow.
Yep. So, cool. I'll speak to her about it. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, wild fire truck. Fucking one just came out of the goddamn wild, just squealing. There's signs warning you about wildfire trucks, and there was one.
I didn't even see where it came from.
The wild.
Some requests. I kind of hate how toes feel. You know, whenever I remember I have them and start thinking about them. Can you fix that? Also, make porridge taste like meat. and vice versa. Wait, Fenton said. What? Porridge should taste like meat. Why? It's all slimy and gross. Meat, it comes out of a body. It should be slimy and gross.
Help me see what the fuck's there. Use it. Cunt.
And I live for operational excellence. Cute makeovers, I say shopping. Checkouts.
Dude, you fucking piece of shit. EEB 3407. Ooh.
Oh, oh. Are you okay?
Oh, God.
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah. Let me just take a break.
Oh, yeah, of course, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, so. Oh, thank you
that was close.
Yeah, so close.
Oh, God.
Such a crazy guy.
Oh, boy.